Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get rich in the game Coromon. So as you can see, I got unlimited resources right there. So I'm going to show you guys how to download the Coromon mod onto your device where you get unlimited coins and stuff. So let's get into the guide. So the first thing we need to do is go to this website called zoomods.com, which has a ton of modded apps. And then we're going to find the Coromon mod. So as you can see, there it is. So we're going to press on it and it's going to start to download. Now, if you cannot find it, guys, you can always go to the search bar and type in Coromon. So let's wait for it to download and then we're going to be super rich, guys, as you saw. So yeah, this is super insane and it fully works. So let's give it a second here, as you can see, baby. So before it downloads, there's one more step. It's a verification. So basically we need to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the real app store. Now bear in mind what people will do. They'll download 2 of the apps, they won't read the instructions, and nothing will happen. So for instance, Text Now, you have to install up and make a 30-second call. Tester up, down, install, register, valid info. So make sure you guys are actually reading the instructions when you download the apps. And apparently, if you live in another country, you might see different apps. So that is another point. But anyway, guys, be sure to try this out. It's super cool. So yeah, you get taken to the App Store and you download the app. So just make sure you download 2 of them and actually read the instructions. Doesn't matter what that is. If it's like run it for 30 seconds, you cannot, you don't have to do a hard one. You can pick an easy one if you want. But anyway, once you do that, you will get the Coromon hack onto your device. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys enjoy this game, because this is crazy, bro.